Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider to do the weekend update on financials this weekend. And the reason we did that was a couple reasons. First, the chart's looking interesting on a couple of these. And second, the Federal Reserve announced that they were likely going to continue to increase interest rates. Now, what that does for financial stocks is it helps them boost their revenues. So banks, different funds on Wall Street, all of insurance companies, all of these companies that deal with interest rates and part of their kind of revenue model, that's going to help these types of companies in the future if rates continue to increase. So that's kind of the fundamental perspective. From a chart perspective, we had a huge move up after touching this support line on this megaphone pattern on the daily candle. And what we found was we broke through the SMA 20, but then we had some resistance here at the EMA 50. So we are not looking fantastic into Monday. But the thing is, if we look at this, what we can see is a possible inverse head and shoulders forming. So here would be our first shoulder, here would be our head, and then if we got a pull back down to around 27.25, which would be right at the SMA 20, that would kind of complete the right-hand shoulder here. So we're going to watch for a possible pull down to around the SMA 20. So we'll just create an alert here. We'll make it, not too sensitive. We'll make it about this. So remember, anytime that this purple line gets bigger or smaller, we are changing the sensitivity. So let's keep it about medium sensitivity so we're alerted anywhere in this purple area, and we will be alerted after the 10-minute candle closes within this area. And we'll just call it the SMA support below, inverse shoulders. We'll do it for 7 days past, to trigger 3 times, and for breakthrough, touch, or bounce. We create the alert, and now we essentially will not have to watch the chart kind of second by second. We will be alerted once the 10-minute candle enters this purple area. So we are set on the daily candle. Now from the weekly candle perspective, we have had a nice bounce out of these 2 oversold areas on the percent range. And you can also tell how the MACD is starting to curl up as well. So these are 2 kind of technically bullish scenarios that look good for Bank of America. We did hit the EMA 50 resistance, the 50-week EMA resistance here, and pulled back pretty quickly. And so, on the weekly candle, we're looking good. We have plenty of room to move up on the RSI. But from the daily candle perspective, it does look like we may have a short-term pullback. And that's kind of for the whole market. The market's looking a little iffy into next week. And, I'm still thinking there may be a Christmas rally, but interest rates are definitely spooking people again, but these are the stocks that may benefit from that. So thanks so much for listening into this one. We'll have 2 more for this weekend. We're also going to be looking at Wells Fargo and Goldman Sachs, so make sure to check out those videos as well. Everyone have a great weekend and happy trading.